On September 11, 2001, America faced its darkest day as terrorists hijacked 4 commercial airplanes. 2 were flown into the World Trade Center towers, causing them to collapse, while another struck the Pentagon. The 4th plane, United 93, crashed in Pennsylvania after passengers fought back. This coordinated attack killed nearly 3,000 people, making it the deadliest terrorist act in U.S. history. In its aftermath, the nation united in grief and resilience, leading to significant changes in security protocols. The creation of the Department of Homeland Security and the implementation of the USA PATRIOT Act reflected a new era of vigilance, forever altering American life and foreign policy. On September 11, 2001, the 4 hijacked planes crashed at the following times: American Airlines Flight 11, North Tower, World Trade Center. Time of crash, 8:46 a.m. ET. United Airlines Flight 175, South Tower, World Trade Center. Time of crash, 9:03 a.m. ET. American Airlines Flight 77, Pentagon, Arlington, Virginia. Time of crash, 9:37 a.m. E. United Airlines Flight 93, Field in Shanksville, Pennsylvania. Time of crash, 10:03 a.m. ET. Flight 93 was headed toward Washington, D.C., but passengers fought back, leading to the plane crashing into a field.